Hi, and welcome to Empathia. When you sign up and select your specialty, your account is automatically configured with specialty-specific templates, consult notes, and documentation tools designed to support your clinical workflow. These can all be customized as well. In this demo, we'll walk through how Empathia helps you capture patient encounters and quickly generates complete clinical documentation while using the app. When you open the app, you have two options for capturing your documentation. The first is New Encounter, which is the ideal and standard for patient visits, consultations, and conversations where you want Empathia to capture the interaction with your patient. The second option is Dictation Mode, which you can access by selecting the arrow beside the New Encounter button. This is useful when you need to quickly capture your assessment findings or add additional information without recording a full patient conversation. Let's start by creating a new encounter. Begin by entering the patient's name, selecting the appropriate type of visit, and choosing a template if one applies to your workflow. Before recording, you can add any additional context that will help guide the documentation. By selecting the microphone icon, you can dictate relevant background information, summarize previous encounters, or add any clinical details you want to include in your note. You can also bring additional patient information into your encounter by using the Smart Summary feature. This allows you to upload documents such as laboratory results, imaging reports, medication lists, referral letters, or previous clinical notes. From your phone, you can simply take a photo of a document and upload it directly. Once you're ready to see a patient, select Start Recording and continue your visit as normal. If you need to step away during your encounter, you can pause the recording and resume when you're ready. After the visit is complete, select Stop and Save, and Empathia will begin to generate your note using the information that's been captured during the conversation, your selected template, and any additional context you've provided. Empathia creates a structured note that has appropriate sections. You can continue to update your documentation by simply selecting the microphone at the top of the encounter or at the side of the encounter. Choose Continue Recording to add additional information such as physical exam or follow-up details. Empathia will incorporate these updates and regenerate the note with new information. Now, if we wanted to start a telemedicine call, you can select Telemedicine along the bottom, dial the patient's phone number, and talk as you normally would. It will generate that note similar to the ones above. Once your documentation is complete, you can move over to Empathia's web portal to review, edit, and finalize your notes to be transferred directly into your EMR. Thank you for joining us today, and welcome to Empathia. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to support at Empathia AI.